Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vultr VPS with CentOS 9, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate a Vultr VPS with CentOS 9, start by visiting the Vultr website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section. Click on the Deploy New Instance button. You will be redirected to a new page for instance deployment. Select your preferred server location from the list. Choose the server type as Cloud Compute. Now, locate the Operating System section. Scroll down and select CentOS. Then, click on the 9x64 version from the available options. Next, select your desired server size based on your requirements. Review the pricing and ensure it fits your budget. Once you've chosen the size, proceed to the Additional Features section. Optional, add any features such as automated backups or DDoS protection. Now, move on to the Server Hostname and Labels section. Enter a unique hostname for your VPS. This can be anything that helps you identify the server later. When finished, review all your selections once more. Then, click the Deploy Now button to initiate the process. Your VPS will start provisioning. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the setup is complete, you will see your new instance listed on the dashboard. Click on your instance to access its details. Locate the IPv4 address and note it down for later use. Next, find the Settings tab in the Instance panel. Make sure to set a strong password for the root user for security. Now, to connect to your VPS, open your terminal or SSH client. Type in the command to connect, replacing your _IPv4 address with the actual address. Use the command /root at your _IPv4 address and press enter. When prompted, enter the root password you set earlier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.